Hello and welcome to Okuma's HOWTO. My name is Pablo Lichti and I am Product Manager for Machining Centers. Today I want to show you the easy restart functionality of our OSP controller. As all of you know, or have the feeling regarding that you have a complicated parts, during the machining you want to have a short look at the tools, but you get the certain headache to have a restart at the point where you jump out of it. And therefore, Okuma developed this easy restart functionality, which we will show you today. You can interrupt at any time, just by pushing two buttons. Have a closer look at the tool awareness and restart easily without any big efforts and headaches, as you can see. Thanks for joining and check out our other videos, and if you have any questions, please contact my team or myself at info@okuma.eu.